Hello guys, let's solve two sum problem from LeetCode. This is the first problem from LeetCode. This is a fairly easy problem, but you'll see this been asked in a lot of interviews. So let's try to solve this. Given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they adapt to the target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Let's see the example number 1 here. 2, 7, 11, 15, and the target is 9. So we'll find a pair of two number whose sum is 9. So if you see in the example, so 2 and 7 adds up to the number 9. So we are returning the indices of 2 and 7, that is 0 and 1. Similarly, for example number 2, 3, 2, 4. So two numbers whose sum is 6 is 2 and 4. The indices are 1 and 2. And example 3, 3 and 3. So target is 6. So this sums up to 6. So the indices are 0 and 1. So let's try to code this. So how we can solve this problem is we can have the combination of each numbers. So if there are n numbers, so we can run two for loop. First one will start from I, that will start from 0, and the second loop will start from I plus 1, and we can find all the combinations, and if that adds up to the target, then we can return the indices, those two indices, first indices from the first for loop and second indices from the second for loop. The time complexity of the above solution would be n into n, that is n square. So can we do it better? Yes, we can do it better. There is a better solution. We can do in order of n. So what we can do here is we'll use some storage here. So we can use the hash set or hash map. So we can go for hash map because we have to store the key, that is this element, and we also have to store the indices because we are interested in the indices here. So we have to return the two indices in this that is shown like in the output. So we have to return in that format. So we'll use the hash map here. So let's try to code it. So this is a map of integer and integer. The key will be the values from this nums array, and the value will be the indices. So we can run a loop. We will go till the length of the array. We'll check if target minus nums of I, if map contains target minus nums of I, then what we can do is since we need we need to return the value in the array format. Let me have that array. Sorry, this is an array. This is size is 2. So if the map contains this target minus this, then we can fetch it int index equal to map dot get nums of I, and then this will be the 0 position equal to index, and array of 1 position will be the current index. This is 1 and equal to the current index is I here. And what we can do, we can return this array because we have found the element. Else what we'll do, we need to insert that into the hash map. So we can insert that value. So here this is the key and index is the value, and if nothing is found, then we can return this array at the end, so which will be empty. So let's run this code. There is this is, and let's run this code. It is accepted. Let me submit. And it is accepted. Thank you guys for watching.